Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add photos to your home screen. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is press the screen, and here you can see the edit option in the top left corner of the screen. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see the add widget. So what you need to do is simply tap on the add widget. Now here what you need to do is simply scroll all the way down. You have to scroll all the way down, and here you need to find photos. So simply tap on photos, and you can see the featured photos. But if you want to add from your album or gallery, so what you need to do is swipe all the way to the left, and here you can see the album. So you can simply tap on it and then tap on add widget, and as you can see, photos has been added. You can also hold your finger on the photos, and then you can also edit the widget. So you can choose the photos from your album, whichever you want. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.